Yes, I have always been in love with photography, and hence this channel is about photography, how to do photographs, how to use this and that skills, what I've learned over the years. The need for this channel was simply because over the years I picked up skills, I picked up a few things, and I felt the need to actually want to share what I've learned, and through experience, of course. I've never gone to a photography skill. Everything I know about photography is self-taught and using the internet, of course. I started spending a lot of time on YouTube, and YouTube became a big thing. And on there I started noticing a lot of creators like me who were photographers and creating content about photography, of course. And for me at that time, I felt like this was a very good idea, and that's simply because of two reasons. At this point in my time, when I decided to make this YouTube channel, for me, I was doing photography, and most of the clients that I would get, photography clients, were either friends of mine and family members, referrals here and there, but mostly just friends within my circle. So now the idea to start a YouTube channel came, and I felt like at the time, strongly felt like this was a very good idea, because first I thought I would use the YouTube platform to advertise my work, because I wanted to be picked up by big companies, by big brands. I wanted to do photography for those people. I do have some serious companies that I do photography for, but I wanted to use this platform, YouTube. I wanted to put myself out there, put my content out there, with the idea to be seen, my work to be seen and be discovered, and so that I could in the future collaborate with work with other photographers, create something amazing. The idea number two was, eventually, after growing this online community, my idea was to monetize my content, hopefully make a revenue of it. That was the whole idea why I started this YouTube channel. Well, as of today, I feel like, what do I feel? Was it worth it? Well, photography is not easy. I think, let me put it that way. Let me say photography is not easy, and everything I envisioned after starting the channel, things I thought would put me out there and help me build my brand, build my business, hasn't happened yet, and it doesn't mean it won't happen. I think if there's one thing I've learned about being a business person, being an entrepreneur, it takes a lot of patience. You just don't win overnight. It takes a lot of practice, a lot of sacrifices, a lot of input that you have to do, a lot of investing that you have to do, be it in the business, be it on yourself as a service provider, basically, And as of now, my channel just reached 91 subscribers, It's somewhere, but this is not where I thought I would be. After having done YouTube for over a year and a half, almost 2 years now, But I am learning, so I realized that it's not easy. It's not an overnight thing, You have to keep planting and just keep being at it, basically. So what do I have to say for myself, What do I have to say for myself? I have this newfound mindset, I don't look at it as a fail. For me, there is no such thing as failing, Having done this and having been through it, I feel like I have this experience that speaks for itself, that I have done all these multiple things, and I have found that they do not work. So basically, I have to keep looking for that one strategy, that one way that work. Being it having to do with growing my audience or scaling my photography business. I just have to find a way that work that will grow the business and my channel, of course. There is no failing in life. I feel like there is a whole lot of learning. And if anyone approaches business or even just life with that mindset, it helps a lot. It helps you to be able to pick yourself up and just continue going, basically. Yes. If you can relate to my story, please like this video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what's your struggle. Maybe together we can tackle this and come up with a solution. I love photography. I love creating content, I am learning each and every day on this journey as I keep going. And my goal actually is not to monetize my channel, no. And it's not even to make content of it. It's not even to make revenue of it. My goal is to become a master at this, With mastery, I'm able to keep going. I love creating with the camera. I like creating videos with the camera. And this is what I want to do, even 10 years from now, In order for me to keep going and to keep doing this, I feel like it's important to keep learning, And even if the results are not there instantly or are not there in the beginning, as humans, we want that gratification. We want to see our efforts pay off, But this just taught me the importance of patience. So please like this video, leave a comment. I love creating content for you guys, It's becoming a part of me, It's not easy. I sometimes do slack off and weeks go by. I've never let a month go by yet. Weeks go by and I don't post. But the idea is to have videos for you every week, I love you guys and I see you in my next video.